Hey, what's up guys? This is Bailey Stein with Android Authority, and you're watching our hands-on video of the Honor 7X in red. So we're here in Las Vegas for CES 2018, and Honor has just unveiled the Honor 7X in a new color option. Now that new color option is red. So this red model is actually the same internal hardware as the original Honor 7X. So if you're interested in learning about the Honor 7X in general and the value that it provides, definitely check out a review which came out about a month ago. Just think of this as sort of like a new color option rather than a new phone. Now, this red model is absolutely stunning, and if you look closely, you can see Honor really paid attention to the details. The antenna lines have this reddish hue. The circular rings around the cameras are like the shiny red, which make them stand out among the matte red aluminum finish that is covering the rest of the phone. And of course, on the front, we have a black bezel, which also looks really good with the red. So if you are already on the fence on the Honor 7X and red is just really like your color, this is probably going to be like a great option for you. It is going to be a little bit difficult to get though, as it's only going to be on sale for one day, which is Valentine's Day, which is of course February 14th. And it's going to be sold on Honor's website in the US, Russia, India, and many Western European countries. We do expect it to sell out quite quickly though, as Honor has told us that they only produced 20,000 units. And they are also offering co-branded Honor Monster AM15 headphones for the first 100 buyers in each country. So if you'd like to try your luck, hey, you never know, you might get a free pair of headphones. And that will be all for this quick hands-on video of the Honor 7X in red. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more of our content. Also, check out our website at androidauthority.com, as we are your source for all things Android.